If you want to use the stove top, you must of course also use the extractor, the steam extractor. And the steam extractor is very easy to operate. Here is the switch to turn it on, 1, 2, 3 or 4, however high you want to put it because of the steam. And then also if you want the light, there you have the light. This is the light switch then. If you want to use a stove top, you will see here on this, here is a switch with a lock, and this is for the child. The child lock, you just put your finger there and then keep it there for around 4 seconds, and then it will engage the child lock. You can see, in other words, whatever child can come there, nothing will happen. If you want to disengage the child lock, you just then again switch it off. Is it on the child lock for those 4 seconds, then it will go off. To turn the stove on, here at this on switch, keep your finger there for a while, and then you select whatever plate you want. This is for the top plate. Turn it on. There you selected it, and then you turn to the plus and minus signs to increase this or to decrease the temperature. You can decrease it from 1 to 9 or from 1, whatever you have selected it. Then you leave it. If you want to switch it off, of course, you select then 1. You can see the plate is getting hot there. You can see the plate is getting hot. And if you want to switch off the plate, all you then do is you then select the plate and then you select minus until it is 0. And there you have it. We'll see if it's finished. If you switch off the plate, it will show keep your finger there, it will be hot, and it will stay that as a warning. Please like and share this video. We love constructive comments and criticism.